Hi, this is Dansoy in the Dansoy kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Hello friends and family. I'm going to cook salmon from the Atlantic Ocean. It's fresh. It's not going to take that long. I'm not going to do anything fancy with it. I'm going to cook it and have it for a couple days, but this one's easy. You have the Atlantic salmon. You can really see the color there. You can also see the skin. It's really good. Then I have sea salt, lemon juice, garlic, black pepper, and butter. Then I have my pan with the protector that protects the oil from splashing all over. So I'm going to cook it now. And salmon's really good for you. It's good for inflammation. It's good for digestive problems. So I'm going to go ahead and cook it. Alright, so we have the butter in there, and I'm just going to put the salmon down soon, like with the skin up, and like the nice like red pinkish flesh is going to go on the bottom. So this basically is on medium heat. It's going to cook about 5 minutes on each side. When I flip it, that's when I'll throw in the lemon and garlic. But if you want, you usually can do this separately. But you're usually going to just take this. You see the salmon, really nice color. And just place it down. You can hear it now. This is like really good quality salmon. Now we're gonna just put that guard on there, this guard, and we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes on each side. When I go to flip it over, that's when I'll add the lemon and the garlic. If you want, you can make it separately. Salmon is one of the best fish to eat next to trout. So we're almost done. I have these tongs to move the fish around. You got this splash cover on there, splatter cover, whatever you want to call it. It's cooking in the butter. Usually I cook it in olive oil, but you can mix it up. We're only like maybe 2 minutes away from flipping it. Alright, so we're back. I flipped the salmon over. Look at the colors. Now I have the skin down, and look at the colors. We're going to cook that another 6 minutes. I cooked it 6 minutes on the other side, and we're still on medium heat. So we're almost done. I threw on some lemon juice over top of there, and I took garlic and I spread it there. If you want, you can start taking a spoon and start sauteing the salmon, like baste it. You can start putting the liquid over it, but we only have a few minutes. If you want, we can wait till it cooks, and then we can do that. So we're done now. Now if you want, you could take like the juice and pour it over there. Say you can take the juice that the salmon was in and just like drizzle it over every piece. I did a lot of it while you were gone, but that's basically it. That's what that's the salmon. You can see nice color, and you can also eat the skin. So we're basically done. It only took like 12 minutes. Thanks for visiting my channel. God bless. Peace out. Love you.